In this video, I'm going to show you how I took my kitchen cabinet, this one, from this to this. Just keep watching. Step 1. First thing I did was take everything out to take stock of everything I had. This way, I was able to remove anything that was old and had expired and develop a game plan of what kinds of containers I would need. Step 2. I did some research. I created a simple spreadsheet on my phone of everything I had and how many ounces they were, so I knew what size containers I would need to get. Step 3. Step 3 could actually be step 0, which I have been doing for a very long time. Save glass jars. Now, I make DIY recipes all the time and am constantly repurposing jars and containers from products and foods I buy all the time. This often determines what foods I end up buying at the supermarket. If I know I can reuse the container for a DIY recipe, I'll buy a product that comes in a glass jar instead of one that comes packaged in flimsy plastic, for example. Over time, I have built quite a collection of jars, and now's the time I finally get to put them to good use. I actually have a video on how to make your own DIY Goo Gone in order to remove the labels. I'll link that video here and down below for you. This particular set of glass jars I have amassed were actually applesauce jars. So maybe find something you like and know you will purchase often and just stockpile them. Save your jars, people. They're literally free containers. Now, if you are impatient and just want to get her done, I can understand that. So that leads to step 4, which would be to purchase containers that make sense for your cabinets. Make sure to measure and make sure it all fits. In addition to the glass jars that I saved, I also bought these beauties. They are 34-ounce glass jars with bamboo lids that come in a set of 8. They are airtight, which keeps food fresh for longer, and their slender design is perfect for small spaces. They are stackable as well. They're freezer safe, microwave safe, and dishwasher safe. I'll link them below for you. Now comes the fun part. Step 5. Fill all the jars and containers. I get a lot of questions about this funnel, and it's actually made specifically for filling jars and containers such as these. As precise a pourer as I try to be, I often make a mess without this, so that'll be linked below as well. Moving right along to step 6. Gotta label these bad boys. So I needed to create my own labels. I wanted everything to have a clean, uniform look, so I opted for this label maker. It's so cute. It even has an app you can download to create customized labels. You can import an Excel file and merge it to customize and make it your own. This thermal label maker connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth and never needs ink, so you don't have to worry about refills or anything like that. This label maker also comes with your first pack of labels, and that's what I used here. I'll link it below for you as well. I'm guessing you can figure out step 7, right? Add labels to your containers. I honestly just eyeballed them. There's probably a smarter way to do this, but I just laid the jars next to each other in order to just do it by eye. I thought that was kind of clever, but comment below if you have a better way to do this. Home stretch, step 8, let's put everything back in the cabinet. I don't know that I necessarily had a system for this. I put like containers near each other and then placed items I grabbed for the most towards the front and on the bottom level. And honestly, I think it turned out great. Sometimes I find myself just opening up the cabinet just to look at my handiwork, but I'm a dork, I know. Anyway, hope this was helpful. Hope all the steps made sense. Let me know if you would want to see a part 2 of this. I definitely have more cabinets in here that are in need of some TLC. It's this one and that one. And I have more ideas of like what to do and more containers that I've been hoarding, but I'll leave that for another day. If you want to watch me clean this kitchen, click here or here, click here, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.